grabbing my handy dandy little crescent wrench on the left side. I'm gonna remove the starter. I'm gonna place the starter if I can't get it greased. See them? This damn battery's in the way. So yeah, well, there's one on the other side we gotta take out. Yeah. Sorry, didn't get a real good view of it, but it kind of rained last night and got a little bit of a bath. It's still dirty up there. I don't know why, but look at this. It's 40 degrees. No, 50 degrees. I'm sorry. 50 degrees out here, and all the fucking snow's melting. Surprising now for Iowa. Alright, I just got this one out. Alright, this one's out. Maybe the other one's a shorter or longer one. I can't remember which. I'm just put it in the toolbox so I don't lose it. Grab my crescent wrench over here. See, go up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set you guys down just because it's going to take two hands to do this one so I got to hold the starter. The last bolt. Before I get that one all the way out, I'm going to remove the power cable. Got this just about removed, the little cable here. And there's going to be a washer on top. Don't lose that. Set that up here. And back to this. Here's the unplugging cable. That off. Had the starter off once. Let's see what the dealio was. I screwed it back in just for the moment being, and yeah, so. Sorry you guys can't see too much. Just what should I call it for saws and stuff's in the way, but she is removed. I'm going to leave it like that because I ain't going to work on it right now. So that was part one of the starter repair on the farmall H. So see you guys later.